This is a partial download file. If you see this in your folder, do not double-click it. Your browser needs to finish the job first. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get that download unstuck. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective download file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. A download file, identified by the download extension, is a file used by download managers to store information about an incomplete download. It allows the download manager to resume the download process later, even if the connection is interrupted. The file typically contains metadata about the original file, such as its name, size, and location on the server. The structure of a download file is specific to the download manager that created it. It usually includes information about the downloaded chunks, their order, and checksums to ensure data integrity. When the download is resumed, the download manager uses this information to request the remaining parts of the file from the server and reassemble them into the complete file. The download format operates under the official standard set by Internet Download Manager from Tonek Inc. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows uses these files for short-lived operations, and they usually don't require long-term storage. To force file access, right-click your download file and select Open With. If Internet Download Manager is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the download file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent download problem. First, check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is working normally, and try clicking the resume button in the browser's Downloads Manager. Next, check security permissions. Check your antivirus security settings and ensure your computer has sufficient permissions, e.g., writing to the desktop documents folder to save the file. Finally, reset browser. If the error is network failed or download blocked, try reinstalling the browser, e.g. Chrome, or checking the site owner, as external software or server issues may be blocking the transfer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.